Just moj ljepotice. Bravo. Hodi vamo. Ohohoho. Zvani konjuščina. Debela. Stani malo. Hod malša, brzo, bravo. Bravo malša, moj dobri končić, najbolji na svijet. Moment jedan. Sačekajte, ljubac. Viš kako se, you see he's in my private space all the time. Right in my face, literally. But I like it, that's why I got him. You know. See, if I didn't wanted him in my private space, I wouldn't have got him. So I don't know what's the big deal about them getting into your private space. Bravo. See, if you let them in your private space, then you can lead them like this. Slack. With a pissed off face as well. There is no need to pull on the lead or anything. Iha. Oba dvojica. Hodimo lagano, hajmo. Bravo. Stop tu. Hodi ti malša ovdje, bravo. Bravo. Bravo ljepotan moj. I oni sad dobiju pomalu jednu nagradicu zato što su bili fini. They get a little treat because they were nice.